Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Today we're going to talk about finding a power of a power. So let's get to it. Now, power of a power means we have a base, we have an exponent, and then you're going to be multiplying that many times. So this is going to be the same thing as 3 to the 4th times 3 to the 4th times 3 to the 4th. Now, if you remember from when we actually found the power when we were multiplying two terms, so multiplying term powers with the same base, 3 to the 4th times 3 to the 4th is the same thing as 3 to the 4th plus 4, and then plus 4. Now here's where the magic happens if we think back to what multiplication actually is. What this means is if I have the same number written multiple times and I'm adding them, that means it's the same thing as 4 times 3. Because we have the number that's written times how many times it's written. And so that's going to be the same thing. By the way, I'm going to go ahead and put this, but they come from it. It's the same thing as 3 to the 12th. And that's going to be our answer. So we can actually shortcut it and not have to write it if we know that this is the same thing as writing 3 to the 4th times 3 to the 4th times 3 to the 4th, which is the same thing as 3 to the 4 plus 4 plus 4. Then rewriting it as such as this. We can actually skip straight from here to here, and I'm going to show you here down here on B what I mean. Basically, we're going to write the base. So we're going to say it's equal to the base and then 5 times 4. And that's going to be W to the 20. So we can even, if you really want to think about it, you don't technically have to write this part, but this is where you show your work. This is how you show your work. So this is only here to show work, because we should be able to just recognize W 5 times 4, boom, W is our W to the 20. Up here, this is how we got it. So this is how it is what it is. It is. And this is just kind of fast forwarding. So if you want to show all of this to show your work, you can, but it's a lot more than you need to. In order to show your work, you just have to be able to rewrite it like this. Now pause the video and copy what is on your screen into your notebook. Now that you're back, anytime that you watch the video or rewatch the video for clarity, remember something or the like, please make sure that you add it to your notes. Use arrows, circles, shapes, pictures, whatever else you need, but add them to your notes to make those notes yours. Last, ladies and gentlemen, remember that you are here to learn, and it's all about the process, never just about the answer. We'll see you tomorrow.